Hi, this is Cooking with Tia, and today I'm going to be making shrimp fried rice with sausage, and I'm going to cook in the old traditional way, just over the stove. I'm going to start with rice. I have jasmine rice. You can use any kind of rice, but I have 2.5 cups of jasmine rice, and then I have some onions and garlic, and then for topping I have cilantro. And then you can use frozen peas or any kind of mixed vegetables I like to throw in there just to give it, some veggies. The other one I like is carrots, but I don't have any. And here's a Chinese sausage I use. I probably use 2 or 3 links, not all this, it's too much. And shrimp, about 8 to 10. It depends how much you like, you can always add more. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice and rinse it out and put water, which is like, how they said Asian grow up about this much? It does work, and then we'll cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna start by washing the rice. I have 2.5 cups. Wash it and rinse it. Okay. Here's how I cook the rice. I'm gonna measure it by using the finger test, probably like here, about 1 inch, a little bit more. Okay, that's good enough. And then I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes on medium high and cover with the lid, and it should be done. On there. Oh, and then cover it. I forgot to tell them. I'll tell them later. When we check it out, 15 minutes, maybe we'll check on it. Put a timer here. I'll put timer 15 minutes. I know we'll put a pot on. I forgot to cover it. I'm slicing the Chinese sausage into. I have 3 links here. I'm gonna put in my fried rice, shrimp fried rice. Yeah, I gotta actually have eggs in my fried rice, so I gotta crack some eggs too. Forgot about the egg part. And use my leftover egg over there. Slice my garlic here to fry. Four eggs. Put some green onions. I like green onions in my eggs. Rice over there's boiling. And I'm going to put black pepper. I like to add fish sauce in my egg instead of salt. Just a little bit. A dab of MSG. I'm going to fry my egg. I set it on the side. I like to put my fried rice and eggs on the side instead of cooking with it. And I'll fry in sesame oil. I like the taste of sesame. You can use whatever, or canola oil. I'm gonna fry my egg for the fried rice, shrimp fried rice. A little bit of sesame oil. Okay, here's my fried rice. And here's the part. It's about 20 minutes. I think 15 was pretty good when we checked it. Kind of give this golden brown. Growing up, this is, I think, the best part of it, being crispy and golden. I like to eat the bottom of the rice. But it's good for fried rice because it's kind of hard. And when you put all that soy sauce or fish sauce in it, it makes it all soft. It's not a big problem. And to clean the pot, the best way is you just gotta soak it, rice. It'll all come out, you know, overnight or whatever. Depends how long you soak it. So I'm gonna start frying the shrimp and sausage first because I put it on the side. Sausage. Some onions and garlic in there. This is like a half of an onion. I'll cook that till it's cooked, and then I'll put the shrimp in because it doesn't take long to cook the shrimp. I season it with black pepper. Kind of sugar. Itsy of MSG. Couple minutes, 2-3 minutes for the sausage to cook. As you can see, it's kind of fatty. Oh, kind of melt away. Just wait until your onion get softened. You can put the shrimp in. I'm going to put the shrimp in. Halfway done, I'm just throw in the frozen peas. Shrimp is almost cooked. I'm going to cook the fried rice now. Shrimp and fried rice is done. Right here, I'm just going to dump this out outside the fried rice. And a mess over there. Fry the fried rice. Heat's hot. Put the fried rice in. Season it. Sugar. The last one's too small. Half a spoon of MSG. Black pepper. And when you do this, put it on low, your rice. You can use fish sauce or soy sauce. I kind of use half, or sometimes it depends how I feel. Put a little bit of fish sauce, and then you want it brown, put soy sauce. And the trick, if you would do fried rice, you want your rice to be brown and even. When you cook in a rice cooker, add soy sauce. It'll give that dark brown texture. I should show you next time when I make another fried rice or something. I'm going to turn it up to medium high now. Okay, that's good to go. Then I'm just going to hit and dump back in my shrimp and sausage. It's ready to go. It's done now. Finished. And then I have the eggs to top it off. Because your rice is still hot anyway, so you cook it. Unless you have cold rice and heat it up longer. But my rice was still kind of hot, so I have to cook it that long. Then I will garnish with cilantro here. Just gonna garnish with some eggs here. A little bit. And more cilantro. Okay.